go back slide. The external scleral incision is really important. Like it has just been mentioned beautifully. Astigmatism. The patient does not care if you've done a beautiful surgery. They want unaided vision as far as possible. So the sclerocorneal tunnel is really important. What we decide in mine, basically, I have done the frown and the chevron incision. I'm going to show you the chevron because after all my 20 years of experience, the chevron has yielded the best results. We have several studies in literature, including our own study, which was published recently, to show that the chevron is the most superior incision in terms of SIA, surgically induced astigmatism, which is what the patient is interested in. And our workload of patients normally has mature cataracts. They want indigenous, very inexpensive intraocular lenses, rigid. That again, the SICS is superior to phaco in that regard, because anyway, you have to enlarge the incision. Also, with the current pandemic of the COVID, I think that there is some concern about aerosolization of the virus and presence in the OT. This is our study, which we have published, in which the chevron incision yielded 0.56 diopters of astigmatism and the frown incision had 0.97 diopters of astigmatism. One of our typical cases with the large volume that we have, this is an elderly patient. So as you know, the nucleus keeps growing. It's large with age. And I try to do a chevron in every patient. In this also, this is a wider chevron incision. And again, we are using fresh disposable keratones, which are only, the cost is a very important factor for our patients. It's a government medical college with a large volume of patients. And this is an 80 rupees keratome, a crescent knife. And then the keratome also is 80. As you can see, a fresh one, obviously in each case, and whatever the quality has provided great results for us. The tunnel has to be structured properly. This is the tunnel. So you see that 1.5 and 2, so 3.5, and the distance is 7. This is another patient in which you can see typically the V-shaped chevron. It is slightly more difficult to do, but anybody who's doing a frown, I would strongly advocate. I see very few videos with the chevron incision. So this is what, again, this rigid, this intraocular lens costs 150 rupees. So a poor socioeconomic status, this is an 80-year-old patient who came to us. We thought it's a solid hard nucleus, but you'll be surprised later on when I puncture the anterior capsule, there is some fluid also. So it's going towards Morgagnian. And I find the staining of anterior capsule, you can again say chevron, to be very helpful. I find it very useful to complete this rhexis because you need a wide rhexis, and these are the type of cataracts we get with the capsulorhexis forceps. So you get perfect control. And I do not make a side port because I don't feel there's, unless really required in certain cases, because there's no need for another corneal incision in these cases in whom the endothelium is already compromised. As you can see, the nucleus is just fitting through this 7mm tunnel. So this is the nucleus. And again, another rigid intraocular lens has been implanted. That is why, through personal experience, we are trying to teach. Actually, the student finds it easiest. This is the patient, 80-year-old, who wanted a picture to be taken with me. And this is our OPD, which came in the newspaper, even, before the lockdown. Thank you so much, sir, for having me here. And I made it into 4 minutes.
Yes.